want to enter new markets and win new customers? The migration of our features to the Montage 2210-2232 chip is complete. Samples of the new combo receiver will be manufactured in the next 2-3 weeks, and the new model delivery is planned for September-October of 2021. The delivery of a standalone DVB-T2 receiver is planned for the end of 2021. Now we will demonstrate why our implementation is superior to all other offerings on the satellite and broadcasting hardware markets, and what type of new customers you will be able to attract. So, why is our technology head and shoulders above other offerings? Casting DVB without a TV set. It's not a secret that younger generations don't watch much TV, but everyone is attached to their smartphone. Our research shows that younger generations actually prefer streaming favorite channels on their smartphones, as opposed to watching them on TV. Essentially, we're talking about new customers who wouldn't likely consider buying a standard receiver. And this market niche is largely ignored today. That's unfortunate because quality high-speed internet for IPTV is not available everywhere nowadays. And our projections show that the market for streaming channels on mobile devices will only grow in the near future. Also, our device is ideal for campers and other remote situations. Our device is the simplest solution for casting DVB on any device, in addition to a TV. First, connect the receiver to your Wi-Fi router. Second, connect the receiver to the antenna. Third, launch the application on your smartphone and you are ready to watch channels. For a comparison, consider one of the most popular device types for a DVB-T2 casting on a mobile device. What do we see? One connector slot, meaning it only supports one device, and not all devices are actually compatible. Moreover, it can only be used with a strong signal. That's already somewhat limiting. Even with a strong signal, it requires proximity to a mobile device. Sometimes one has to carry the antenna around the house. How is it a true mobile experience if it requires these additional considerations? No such problems exist for our devices. Open Web API. Capability of web development and implementations of various bold ideas by any web developer or a team of developers. This option will lead to an emerging community. Our solution is quite simple, provides extensive functionality for end users, and is easy to use by developers. The learning curve isn't very steep, and there is no need to deal with a heavy operating system. And when the community grows, that will inevitably add more customers to your brand name. Our device is a very cost-effective quality solution for a satellite signal search. For a very affordable price, you receive a nearly professional device with LM measuring, automatic discovery of satellites and their channels, spectrum analyzer, and etc. Please watch this video for details. The link is in the next description. If desired, we can also customize our hardware to your needs. For example, add a charging port and cable for a power bank to the receiver, etc. With that, you can think of the receiver as an independent tuning device. And the cost of this add-on will be just $1 over the price for the standard configuration for wholesale. Essentially, with our device you can dominate the market of devices for tuning satellite signals. Our receiver will be the best cost-effective solution for a DVB-T2 finder. It's no secret that tuning to the maximum signal on one frequency may lead to signal degradation on other frequency. How about 3 or 4 different frequencies? In the fall of 2021, we will add a function of tuning signals on multiple frequencies simultaneously. This will dramatically simplify the antenna configuration process. Our device, when combined with a special 3D LNB at an additional 0.8 USD over the standard configuration price, will allow configuring the antenna interactively. This will lead to sales increase and will reduce the returns rate. Our device, when combined with a special 3D LNB at an additional $0.8 over the standard configuration price, will allow operators or technicians to receive detailed reports from the receiver remotely. Imagine your customer is 100 miles away and you will be able to accurately diagnose their problems with the receiver, not leaving your home or office. For example, detect a problem with the power supply, faulty demodulator, failed LNB, damaged cable, or a nearly collapsed antenna. Further, you will be able to detect other uncommon issues such as interference with the signal of the mobile operator, standing by for strong wind conditions. Without 3D LNB reports won't be full. Bug fixes for a PTV. Please see this video for details. The link is in the text description. Now you might think that a device with all the above features must be super expensive. Not at all. Model DVB S2 Plus T2C with HEVC, LAN, embedded Wi-Fi, ESD protection and universal remote control is only 80.3 USD with a regular power supply, or approximately 19.3 USD for Europe. Model DVB T2 with HEVC, LAN and universal remote control is only 12 USD with a regular power supply and approximately 30 USD for Europe. The minimal order size with the brand name is 5,000 devices. But if you would like to try it out, we can offer devices branded as Vivid Motion Gold Mastery with the brand owner agreement, with a minimal order size of 500 devices for the same price. Last but not least, about the quality of hardware in general. The fact that the factory has ISO 9001 doesn't always mean that all your shipments will have it. Sometimes factories might even change the schematics without a full disclosure. We have seen it in the past, for example, even with Topfield. We have an elegant solution for that through automated testing of which device we ship. No device can be shipped untested. Please see this video for details. The link is in the text description. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and you will also be up to date with the latest news and developments.